Welcome back. We are going to continue on our motion block, and next it will be explaining the turn movements in the motion block. And the suitable project we'll be using to explain this turn movement in the motion block is a project I call Rotating Arts. Now, everybody, come along with me as I share my screen. Let's share the screen. Let's go together. And this is my scratch. So let's share. Good. Hope your scratch is open as well. Good. Now, let's change our backdrop. Who can remind me where to change the backdrop? Excellent. Good. The backdrop library. So let's go to the backdrop library and look for a backdrop. Now you can choose any backdrop you like. It's not a must to use my backdrop. So I'll be using the neuron tunnel. So now you see I've chosen my backdrop. Now this is our default sprite, just as I explained before. So but I'm not going to be using this sprite, so I need to change it. So for me to delete it, I'm going to click on this trash can. Now let's delete. So delete yours as well. Good. Now let's choose another one from our Scratch library. Now in the Scratch library, you look for another sprites that you like. Now I just want to scroll through so that you can see the various uh sprites. But that's not what the one I need is the F. So I'm working on rotating F. Can you see it? So click on your rotating F. Your F. Now I'll bring it to the middle. It's too big, so I want to reduce the size a little bit. Now, for me to reduce the size, I'll come down here. Can you see the size here? 100. So I will change it to, let me change it to 70. Good. Change the size of your sprite as well if it's too big. Excellent. This is perfect. I'm good with this. Now, how do I give it instruction to rotate? Now, let's go. I told you whenever we want to start our sprite, our scratch, our project, we'll start with the event category. Now, let's go to the event category and bring out when flag click. Now, when flag click, what do you want? I want this F to rotate. Now, to rotate, now the F is within, it's at the center of the stage. Now, within this, so for it to rotate in that center, I'll go back to my motion block. Motion block. Now, look, these are the turn that I was trying to explain. This, can you see? Turn right. That means turn in your clockwise direction, and the turn left is turn in anti-clockwise direction. So you can use any direction you like. So I want to use the right direction. If you like, you can change it from 15 degree, but I'm good with this 15 degree, so it's going to suit me. Let's test it. Now click on the flag. Can you see? You already see that it's rotate a little bit. Now I want it to continue to rotate and not stop. What do you think I need to do? Excellent. We'll go to the to control category. Yes. Go to control category and bring out forever. Now, good. Now let's see. Let's click on it. Can you see? That's how to use the turn block. Now it's turning in the clockwise direction. If I want it to turn in the anti-clockwise direction, all I need to do is just to remove this and go back to motion and put turn 15 degree. That's in the anti-clockwise direction. Can you see? Excellent. So now I forgot the other time. Did you know how to save your projects? Okay, don't worry. Let me show you. But let me take this, return it, and make it. Let's save. So I want to stop it. This red button is for stop. So let's save. Everybody, now click on this on file. Have you clicked on it? Good. Now file and click on save to your computer. So good. Now, because I've been saving my project here, that's why it brought me back to this place. So if you have a specific place you want to save your project, you can choose the place. So me, I'm good with this. Now I'm in my desktop. So I want to locate a folder where I want it saved. So let me locate my folder. I want to locate my folder. That's how you look for your folder. You look for your folder and then save it inside your folder. Good. So, I've located my folder. I'll click on my folder, click open, and give it a name. Now, the title is rotating health. And then click on save. And that's the end.